Good morning. This is May the 5th, 2020. We're up here in southern Utah.
We're going fishing for men on this journey across the country. Here's my little fishing rod. And we can see here by the green that you can know God through His creation, all that He has made, His love, His power. He's our security. He's our strength. But we've all fallen short of giving Him thanks and recognizing Him as our God. It's because we're sinners. Our hearts are black. Our ears are deaf. Our heart is hard. We need God. We need to be restored to His love. Christ came and shed His blood for us so that we can be brought to the right relationship with God, become His children, and our hearts can be washed as white as snow. We can become God's dearly beloved children. And in this life, we can experience the glory of Christ and the hope of heaven to come. We're going fishing for men.
Amen.
Amen.
I will make you fishers of men, fishers of men.